Wow, it's Monday yet again. I can't believe how fast this summer is flying by. But I would say to the most people in this world, Mondays are the least favorite days for them, right? It's back to the 9 to 5 grind. It's back to going to school. And now they have to wait 5 days for the weekend, which is what they live for. Versus us traders, I would say Mondays are our favorite days of the week. And there's a couple of reasons for that, right? We love what we do. So having a mandatory break is something that we look now forward to on the Monday. We want to get back to trading because we had time off. Also, the second thing is Monday is a great day because we get a clean, fresh start to the week. So we could kind of reset and forget what happened last week. Sometimes it is good to have a mandatory break, because if markets were really open and tradable for 7 days out of the week, we probably would trade 7 days out of the week. Let's face it, right? We are just into it so much that we hate holidays. Like, we have Labor Day coming up soon, and we kind of wish that markets were open. And even though they might be open in the futures market, the stock market's closed, therefore there's no volatility. So trading the market is really kind of pointless, in my opinion, at that point. But anyway, Monday is here, fresh start. So let's talk about my 4 funded accounts and show you guys how I did today. So let's go right into it. I do not have much time yet again. I do so many things at once that, my days are flying by, and I have an appointment here in 40 minutes. So I gotta make this video, maybe edit it. I'll see if I need to edit this and then post it right on YouTube. All right, guys. So my big account, which is the 150K Apex account, starting balance today was $4,472. So I need maybe $530 to guarantee myself a payout, or at least be above the minimum amount balance in the account to request a payout in September. So September 1st through 5th will be the next payout cycle. And I made $852. So usually if you look back on my days, the 150K account would be close to double of my 50K account, because I would indeed trade it in double the size. Okay, so that's that. Then the tricky one was the Tradeovate account. So not being able to trade this account on my Quant Tower definitely makes it more challenging. So I'm trading on Quant Tower. I'm trading the NQ and the YM on the Quant Tower. Then I need to trade stocks. So I enter my stock trades, and sometimes it's tricky. It's a lot of stocks at once, or I'm not sure if this stock is going to qualify. It might be qualifying at 9:28, but then it might not qualify at 9:30 a.m. So I have to pay attention to that. So there's a lot going on for me. And then today I missed the trade on Tradeovate. So I did not get my opening range trade on Tradeovate, and I had to trade it manually. Of course, market started ripping, and it didn't go well for me. I was down $850 on the account, and then slowly starting to climb back. So I made some money back, then I would lose some and made some back. And then it was definitely a rough day, and I definitely made a lot of commissions on that account. I think I was up like $150 in commissions alone. So made like 400 bucks, but commissions ate that up. So just happy to be green, because this account, again, is the 50K account, and it's now well above the safety net, which means that I could withdraw from this account. So it's on day 9, therefore I don't even have to trade this account. So I have a small dilemma. Do I just not trade this account anymore and then just let it sit there, and then once I am able to withdraw from it, and then try to climb back? So if I were to withdraw from this account now, I would have a little bit over $1,000 in cushion, maybe $1,200 in cushion, which is still not bad for what it is, because when my trades go well at the open, and I could even scale down the size on this one if I did have just $1,200 worth of risk, it rarely goes against me. It actually goes right into profit right away. So it would be definitely possible to climb out of the hole, and at the same time I would guarantee myself a payout. But I don't know, I really want to keep growing these accounts to a substantial cushion so I could keep these accounts. It's just this one is in Tradeovate, and it's like having that extra account in Tradeovate is almost a little bit annoying. All right, so that's that. Then the other 2 accounts 426. So I did copy trade between all three accounts, and this is double of that. And you guys could see I made 426 here as well. So use the same exact size and everything like I did on Friday. So amazing, amazing day of $1,934. So almost $2,000 in one single day trading funded accounts. And I've also obviously made money on some evals, or at least on one eval, and I passed that with the YM trade. So YM trades, this is all NQ, but I am adding a new account tomorrow, fifth account, and that account will be traded on YM only. So total profit for withdrawals is $11,237. So now the most difficult thing about these prop firms is the withdrawal policies, right? So look, I've made technically $11,000 in, what is it, 9 days now. So not bad at all. And now I'm going to be making more because I have more accounts. But that money is not really mine yet, right? It's still going to take a while to get that payout from these accounts. So that is the difficult thing, being consistent long enough to get your money. Even though you can make money in the beginning, staying consistent is the most difficult part. But I'm very happy to now be over 10K because I wanted to be there last week. But we had this day where I overslept. So it is what it is, but still making $1,934 in one single day. And it's something that I used to aim for on a good week trading stocks, or a good week trading just one account with a real futures account. And it's difficult to do. And 2K a week is 100K a year. And that alone is a good income, especially when my trades happen so quick and literally I am done by 9:35 a.m. For the most part, except like today, I was trading the Tradeovate account a little bit longer, but I was still done around 10:30 a.m. New balances for my accounts, $5,332 or $5,324. And now again, this account has to be above 5,000 to get a 2,700 payout, 2,750 I think payout on the 150K account. And to be honest, I think moving forward, the only evaluations I will ever do is the 150K. I'll see about that, but I think the 50K account has just, 150K account just has so much more cushion, and it's just much easier to manage overall. This account is at 3,357. This account has to be above 2,600 to get a payout. So maybe I'll just scale down in size and then take the opening trade. But if I get to 2,600 on this account, just stop trading it. Not sure what I'm going to do there. And these two are exactly the same, 1278 and 1278. And then we have a new account that's coming tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll be trading 5 accounts. And again, super pumped about that, because every time in the past when I was getting this strategy kind of to work, I would still rush the process, or the profits were small, and then I would just be trading one live account, and then I would be trading evals, but then I would lose the evals because I would try to pass them so quick. Like the YM, this account that I'm going to activate tomorrow, today was day number 10 of trading that account. Okay, so I didn't pass it in 7 days. I didn't pass it in 2 days. I passed it in 9 or 10 days. I think it's 10th day today. So it did take quite some time, but I didn't even trade it every single day, and it probably took me more than 10 days overall. But this was 10 days traded, but I don't even think I traded it every single day. And I have some other evals that are on like day 8 and 9, and I haven't even touched them today. So I'm not rushing the evals anymore, and I think that's the better way to go. So yeah, again, $11,237 will be the starting balance of my account tomorrow. And hopefully we could keep going. If I could get to 10K this week, that would be the best week of my trading career by far, and that is the goal. I am not going to force it, but it is certainly doable. So for 5 accounts, it is certainly doable to do that. Let me know how you guys are doing so far, if you're funded, if you're trading evals. A lot of people are commenting on my videos and asking about the spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet is very simple and you can make it yourself. If I were to give this away, I'll have to kind of make it more automated. So we could talk about that one day. But for now, all you got to do is just do the math manually. So everything I do here is manual. How I am inputting these numbers here right now is actually I put everything in to this spreadsheet and then I delete it in the order I want it to be displayed when I talk to you guys and show you guys the profits, right? So I delete everything. So I will go like delete, 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 and then I hit Control Z, and those numbers come back up. So it seems like it's all automated, but actually everything is manually done. The formulas you just have to do the first time, and now the formulas would be done already. So to show you guys an example, like if I just drag this down, these numbers are already calculated. So it knows exactly the formula, except for this one because this one's at 0. But it's quite easy how it works. Excel is quite an amazing and powerful tool, but this again is not something that is automated, and it's something that you could just create yourself. And the main difference between this and an online trading journal, which I could actually make a comparison because I do have a trading journal for my stock trading, and I could import the futures trades in there as well, since I already pay for it, and I could keep it separate. But if I were to lose one of these accounts, then everything gets screwed and skewed. All right, so I've explained that in one of my videos, in the first video I've made about the spreadsheet. And I think that this is a huge benefit to see exactly how I'm doing, because if I do lose a funded account or if I withdraw from it, you'll still know exactly where I stand. All right, so that's that, and I am going to call it a day here, 7:30 p.m. I've, again, no idea what time is going, how fast time is going for me. It's actually silly, and summer's almost over, and before we know it, it's going to be Thanksgiving and Halloween and Christmas and all that stuff, and New Year. So let's keep going, guys. Let's get more funded accounts. We need to get funded with TopStep and Bull and Locks. I think that's my next goal. But at the same time, I really want to see how Apex is going to react to my scalping strategy, since it's really, really fast. And yeah, continue tomorrow with new video. All right, guys. I do want to make some other videos. Just I haven't had time to do it, and then also I haven't really had much topics that I want to cover besides more quant tower questions come in all the time. The quant tower seems to be very popular, so I want to make more videos on that, how I set it up from scratch. But it's very simple at the same time, so it's no different than setting up anything else like Ninja or any other platform. It's actually quite easy. The biggest thing is that you have to sign the agreements, so that's the difficult thing. You have to log into your Rhythmic Pro first before you log into Quant Tower on most Rhythmic evaluations or funded accounts. But anyway, guys, I will talk to you soon, and be well.